Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will enter to the window of Netflix app. Then this list of app info, you will click on first app and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. You can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. And if it's not working with you, then you can uninstall your app on Play Store and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.